to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on Gmail app, you will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps you can go to this sign and you can search about Gmail. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.